Nigerian genius.
Good evening, friends. Good evening, family. Good evening, supporters. Good evening, everyone. So this is Team CARF from AE-FUNAI, and today is day 5 in the Nigerian Genius competition. And we've been making progress. We've been making advancements, and everything has been a real lot. Yes. So we started off today working on our projects. Yes, we implemented some corrections that were given to us by our mentors. We implemented those corrections today. We came up with our completed 3D design today, and we proceeded to printing our 3D design today. Amidst that, we are called up for our project reports. So we gave a project report of where we started off after the last project report of yesterday to where we currently were at as of the time we were making that project report. So we were asked our progress, we were asked what we've done, we were asked how we divided the level and how we are working as a team. So after that, we every other team did theirs, and we got the results were called for the project report, and we came third. We came third in the project report. Those two teams had a tie, but we came third. And they also announced the voting, the scores of the online voting, and this is the part where we need you guys to come in and help us. We always are falling back when it comes to online voting and support. Please, we need you guys to do better. We thank you guys for doing better, but we need you guys to do more. To aid us win this. Thank you. So after our project reports, we came back to continue working on our project where we left off at. Meanwhile, our 3D design was running, which was already printing. So I left the team to their work while I went to complete our welding projects, which we started off 2 days ago. I went to complete it. So I did the filing. We had the components welded together, and I think by tomorrow we'll be painting it, and we'll couple the projects we had for the welding class. And after that, we came back. We had a very big disagreement today, which was finally resolved. We came to a conclusion, and a good news is that disagreement brought to the milestone breakthrough we had today on our software part, which we have successfully integrated everything that's to do with the backend and frontend of our project. So as I was saying, after the milestone breakthrough, as of yesterday, we didn't even know that we are supposed to give a full 3D design of the whole system, because we designed components by components. But today we started, combining and coupling these components. We've not yet gotten the full, but we are on progress with that. Then on our software architecture that kept us awake all through the night, we finally gave the code a clean debug, and it is working perfectly fine right here. And that's it for our progress reports. We plan on getting our physical structure ready, as our budget for today has been approved. We thank God. And our mentors approved our budget after we had the mentorship session with them. Moving down to the mentorship session, we had a very nice mentorship session today. We had an electronic special a specialty, someone in the electronics specialist, and we had a manufacturer here with us too. So we explained our concepts to them and everything. They looked into it, they told us the pros, they told us the cons, they exposed us to something we neglected or we missed in our circuit design. So we took we took that correction, and we were going to be implementing it in the circuit design. But and they gave us a thumbs up, for our the work in progress. Yes, and advised us to speed up our 3D coupling. I think that part will be very difficult in a way, not very difficult, but that part is a bit challenging. But we have everything in structure and everything in motion. So that was it for today. To the partners, I want to say a very big thank you to CIC. I want to say a very big thank you to ACT. Very, very big thank you. Thank you for the platform to compete. We thank you for the platform to learn. Thank you for the platform to grow. Thank you very much. And to our fans out there, we ask one more time that you don't stop supporting us. We need your support. We need your engagements. We need your comments. We need your likes to help us gain global and international relevance. Thank you.
The Nigerian Genius.